Large warehouses are perfect for manufacturing, distribution, and storage operations. But they're often too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter. To solve this problem, facility operators often add ceiling fans, but their isolated airflow leaves many employees uncomfortable and does little to reduce heating and cooling costs. Until now. Introducing the Herkules transverse-mounted ceiling fan, the first and only ceiling fan on the market that blows air sideways instead of downward. This innovative 7-foot diameter fan quietly moves a large volume of air horizontally, and when paired with other fans strategically placed in the facility, efficiently pushes air throughout the entire space, greatly improving occupant comfort and well-being. The Herkules ceiling fan pairs a low-maintenance direct drive motor with 6 aircraft-grade aluminum blades, each with an advanced airfoil design to generate exceptionally high airflow. Its easy-to-use mounting system makes installation and adjustment of this 45-pound fan a breeze. But where the Herkules fan truly makes its presence felt is at floor level, where employees work every day. To demonstrate how effectively just 2 Herkules fans can circulate air around this 15,000 square foot space, we've set up a pair of theatrical foggers. With the fans off, building air is stagnant, allowing the fog to rise uninterrupted until it disperses. With the fans on, however, the environment changes completely. About 60 feet away from the Herkules ceiling fan, the airflow is powerful enough to sweep away the fog immediately, pushing comfortable air down the aisle and into the path of the neighboring fan. Together, the 2 fans create a quiet, comfortable, worker-friendly environment, reducing utility costs and increasing employee comfort. Herkules fans, feel the difference.